In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Penny to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have Penny linked and ready to use, and you'll know exactly what to expect at each step, so nothing feels confusing. Start on your ChatGPT home screen. Look to the bottom left corner of the window for your profile. It might show your initials or a small avatar. Click that to open your account menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This is where you control how ChatGPT behaves and which tools are connected, so it's the right place to make this change. Inside Settings, find and select the Apps section. This area lists your current connections and gives you access to discover more. To add something new, click Explore Apps or, depending on what you see, Add More. Both options take you to the same catalogue, so simply pick the one that appears on your screen. At the top of the catalogue, there's a search field. Click into it and type Penny. Be sure the spelling is correct so the catalogue can find the exact app. When Penny appears in the results, select it to open its page. You'll see a short description and the Connect button. Go ahead and click Connect. After you click Connect, follow any on-screen instructions. Depending on how Penny integrates, you might be asked to confirm the connection, approve certain permissions, or sign in to a linked account. Read each prompt carefully and continue until you see confirmation that the connection is complete. If a permission screen appears, it helps to review what access is requested so you know exactly what you're enabling. If there are no extra prompts, the connection can finish almost instantly. Once everything is confirmed, you should see that Penny is connected in your apps list. That's your quick way to verify it worked. If you need to double-check later, just return to Settings and open the Apps section again to see the current status. A couple of quick tips as you do this. If Penny doesn't show up right away in the catalogue, try refining the search to Penny with a capital P and make sure you're in the correct Apps area inside Settings. If you encounter an instruction screen, take your time and work through it step by step. The process is designed to guide you and won't move forward until you confirm. And that's it. You've clicked your profile, opened Settings, gone to Apps, explored the catalogue, searched for Penny, connected it, and followed any prompts to finish the setup. You're all set to start using Penny with ChatGPT.